welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to crochet some easy scrunchies. This is very easy if you want to use up your scrappy yarn, or if you have nice velvet yarn like I have here, you can just use that also. So let's get started. So there's actually two methods to doing this. You can just use regular worsted acrylic yarn or this velvet yarn here. I got mine at a store that was actually closing, so I don't even know the brand, but this is the yarn I'm using, and it is, I think I would say, like almost a weight 5. It's like very chunky and very like big, so I'm going to be using a 5mm hook for this. You'll also need some hair ties, or you can use elastic or anything that's just stretchy. So we're going to begin by making a slip knot on your hook, and you're going to put your hook with that slip knot through the hair tie and do a chain up of 3. So to connect your yarn to the hair tie, you're going to insert your hook through and then yarn over, and you should have 2 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, and then your yarn should be attached. Now you're going to do the chain of 3. And once you have your chain 3, we're going to be doing treble crochets. So you're going to yarn over your hook twice, and then you're going to insert your hook holding down onto those loops on your hook. Insert your hook through the hair tie and pull up, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2. And that is a treble crochet. You can actually do double crochets if you want your scrunchie to be less chunky, but I like the look of the treble crochets. So that's basically the stitch you want to do all around. So once you have a bunch of stitches like this, you can actually just scrunch them up together, and then you have more room to work around. And you want to keep doing this as you go so that it'll look more like a scrunchie and less just like a flat circle. So once you're done and have enough stitches to your liking, we're going to slip stitch back into the chain 3, chain up, and then we're going to make a chain 1 and cut off your yarn, and then we're going to tie the ends, the loose ends, together and then tuck them into the scrunchie. So once you're done with that, you should have a finished scrunchie that's ready to use, and I'll actually show you how to briefly do the one with acrylic yarn, because all you have to do is use doubled yarn to make the same thickness. Now for the acrylic one, I'm just going to be using the Red Heart Super Saver one, and I used the 2 strands that came with the ball. So there's the one in the middle and the one that's on the outside, and I'm just going to use it like this, just putting it on top of each other and then going to crochet with that. And I use the same exact method as I used for the velvet yarn. It's just going to be with this. So after I tucked in my ends, this is how the acrylic one came out to look like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow through. Again, this is kind of just like a bonus video for this week because I just wanted to get this video out, and I will be coming back with a new video. So make sure to subscribe for more crochet content every week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!